We got us an old Tyler. This bad boy is a 1989. Made out of Niles, Michigan, R22. Right there. They don't make them like this no more. Look at that evaporator, boy. Yeah. And then down here, we had a leak at the flare. So, I'll probably pull this bad boy completely off and see if I can't put a shredded core in there and give her a charge with some updated gas. I can spend all day cleaning this thing up. Makes you want to get a sandwich, don't it? Tyler sandwich maker. We got the free drinks in the Purple Yeti. Look at that bad boy, made in Michigan, Niles, Michigan in 1989. Boy, I was only 7 years old when they put this bad boy together. Imagine that. So, right here was a refrigeration leak coming off of this flare. They don't make them like that anymore. That bad boy's got some weight, boy. I had one up here as well. A new core and cap, solve all them issues. It's an old R22 system. I'm going to charge it up with 147. And roll with it, baby. Roll with it. I got the vacuum on a super long cord going through half the store. I'm just going to vacuum through the good old hoses on this one. It's a small system. So, have a good day. Please subscribe. We ended up putting 8 pounds in there. Thermostat wasn't shutting the compressor off. Pulled one off the truck, put a temp probe right there. Connected it to the old one, so should be good. We'll drop the temps down. 7 there. I just put it through a defrost cycle. So make sure the defrost clock's working. The store will be able to increase its revenue now with some sandwiches. Look for another temperature probe because that one's not working right. It's saying 50 degrees.